Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shreyashi and I talk about relationships, books, adulting and life in general. So if you're someone who would be interested in these topics, then please make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below. Right, so today I want to talk about detachment. The root cause of most of our life suffering is because we are attached to something. We suffer because we are attached, be it attached to people, to situations, to an object, be it anything. But the reason we suffer is because we are attached. So I believe that if we learn to detach ourselves from these situations, we will reduce our suffering in some kind of way. And that is why I thought let's talk about detachment a little bit. Now I'm not saying that I am someone who has learned or aced the art of detachment, but I am somebody who is consciously trying every single day to do it over the past 1 year or so, and I have really progressed in that area, and that is why I thought let's make this video. So I am someone who gets very attached very easily to things, people, situations, circumstances, or even an object. I get very attached. Like if I have my personal belongings, like I keep my things a certain way and I'm attached to every single thing that I own. Like be it, those pencils, pens, my comb, everything is very dear to me. And if something changes here and there, then it becomes difficult for me to function. I know that's not the right thing to do, and that is why I started thinking about detachment a little earlier, and I thought, how can I be a little detached? So detachment from other things like objects and situations is still easy and happens with time, but when we talk about detachment from people, it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of effort. It's not easy losing a person, it's not easy breaking off from a relationship, it's not easy losing a friend. So अगर आपके लाइफ में ऐसा कभी हुआ है that you have lost a very dear friend, or you have parted ways because of some reason, or you've had a bad breakup, you would know what I'm trying to say. When you are used to being around somebody, your life becomes intertwined with them. जब आप किसी के साथ रहते हो ना, आपकी पूरी लाइफस्टाइल उनके अकॉर्डिंग हो जाती है. Now be it your partner or your best friend, and in that case, if that person leaves for some reason, you don't know how to function anymore. And all this happens because you are attached. And it is okay to be attached. We are humans and we are given this feeling of attachment, and there's nothing wrong with it. But what happens is, few of us are sensitive. Like I'm a very sensitive person and things affect me very deeply. Now I know for few people things don't affect them as deeply as it does to me, but for me it does. And I know there are people out there who are like me, who are sensitive, and for whom things affect them too much. So when we lose someone, there's a void that gets created, and because of that we do not know how to live our life anymore. And this happens because we were so attached to that person. But the reason that I have learned to be detached to situations and people is because I've realized that not everybody is the same. इवन दो मैं बहुत सेंसिटिव हूँ और अटैच हो जाती हूँ चीज़ों को लेके, बट इफ़ आई एम विद अ पर्सन हु इज़ नॉट सो सेंसिटिव और हु इज़ नॉट एट द सेम लेवल ऑफ attachment like me, that person will not be affected so much like I will be. Like अगर वो इंसान मुझे छोड़ के जाता है तो मुझ पे जितना ज़्यादा असर पड़ेगा उतना शायद उस इंसान पे नहीं पड़ेगा. And this is a thing that made me realize that इसमें मेरा ही लॉस है. Like if I get so attached to people, कहीं ना कहीं शायद इसमें मेरा ही नुकसान है. And that is why I have started learning to detach myself from things. And like I said, it's not easy. In today's time, I have observed that some people really prioritize themselves over other people. So मेरे लिए ऐसा होता है कि if I'm very attached to someone else, तो मैं अपने लाइफ को हो सकता है कभी कभी थोड़ा एडजस्ट करूँ या कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लूँ, so that I can be with that person or I can sync my life around them. But कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो कि अपने आप को हमेशा प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं. वो कभी भी अपनी लाइफ को इतना एडजस्ट या मोल्ड नहीं करते कि किसी और को अपनी लाइफ का पार्ट बना सके. Even though someone can love you very much, but they still somewhere prioritize themselves more. And this is something that I observed and this changed my perspective. मुझे लगा कि इसमें सामने वाले की गलती नहीं है, but it is who I am, so I have to learn to detach myself from people because if I don't do it, इसमें मेरा ही loss है. And जब मुझे ये sweet realization हुआ तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे थोड़ा detachment सीखना पड़ेगा. And I was also reading the Bhagavad Gita that time. And उस टाइम मैंने पढ़ा how Krishna talks about detachment in it and why it is so important. Now, although हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है humans के लिए, and especially some people who are very sensitive and who get very attached, उनके लिए difficult है. So what I have started doing is मैंने ना अपने आप को थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा prioritize करना start कर दिया है. I have started keeping myself above others, and although this sounds selfish, but I think in today's time it is important to prioritize yourself because not everybody prioritizes you, right? So it's important to keep yourself, your situations, your career, your interests above others sometimes. Because क्या होता है काफ़ी बार जब आप अपनी चीज़ों को compromise करते हो दूसरों के लिए, then people start taking you for granted. उनको लगता है कि this person is always going to compromise their lifestyle for me. And that is when people start thinking that you don't have a stand of your own. So you must not let people take advantage of you that way, or you must not let people think of you that way, because that's not who you are. You were just attached to them, and that is the reason you were, adjusting your life around them. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है that your things are not important. So I think, that is one small thing that has really helped me to detach myself from people, from situations, from circumstances whenever required. And that is what I would like to suggest to you, that if you are someone who feels very attached to people and things, you need to learn to detach yourself. Even though you cannot control it, but what you can do is you can always learn to prioritize yourself above everybody else. Because the truth is, that is how the world works in today's time, and that is how you need to work as well. So the sooner you learn it, the better it is for you. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please make sure to hit a like on this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. And I will see you again very, very soon in my next one. Till then, bye-bye, take care.